Hi, my name is Amma.
And my name is Ali. And in this video, we are going to talk about choosing the best country to study abroad.
So, Ali, have you thought more about studying abroad?
Yeah, I've been researching quite a bit. But there are so many options, it's hard to decide.
I know, right? Each country seems to offer something unique. Where are you leaning towards?
Well, I'm considering the USA, the UK, Canada, Italy, Germany, and France. But honestly, I'm a bit confused about which one would be the best fit.
Let's break it down then. What are you looking for in a country?
I want a vibrant culture, good quality education, and hopefully not too expensive to live in.
Makes sense. Let's start with the USA. It's known for its top-notch universities, especially in fields like psychology and media sciences. The culture is diverse and dynamic, but living expenses can be quite high, especially in big cities.
The UK also has prestigious universities like Oxford and Cambridge. English linguistics would be a great fit there. Plus, it's culturally rich with a lot of history. But again, the cost of living, especially in London, is quite steep.
Canada might be a good option too. It's known for its friendly and welcoming atmosphere. The quality of education is excellent, and living expenses are comparatively lower than in the US or the UK.
Italy sounds so romantic and charming. Plus, they have a strong focus on international relations, given their history. But I wonder how expensive it is to live there compared to the other options.
Germany boasts a robust economy and top-notch education, offering English programs in fields like psychology and media sciences. Living costs are reasonable, particularly in smaller cities, though German fluency may be necessary for daily life.
France is another attractive option with its rich cultural heritage and renowned universities. But I've heard mixed things about the cost of living there.
Yeah, it seems like each country has its pros and cons. Have you thought about how to navigate living in a foreign country?
Not really. It sounds a bit daunting.
Don't worry, we can figure it out together. One tip is to familiarize yourself with the local culture and customs. It helps in making friends and feeling more at home.
That makes sense. And it's important to manage your finances wisely, especially as students. Budgeting and looking for part-time jobs can really help.
Absolutely. Also, don't hesitate to reach out to support services provided by the universities. They often have resources for international students, like counseling services and language classes.
Good point. And staying connected with family and friends back home can also help with homesickness.
Definitely. It's all about finding a balance between immersing yourself in the new culture and staying connected to your roots.
Thanks for the advice, Amma. I feel more confident about this decision now.
Anytime, Ali. We're in this together. Now, let's celebrate the new adventures and exciting opportunities that await us.
We hope this conversation helped you with speaking and study abroad choices. Keep practicing. Like, share, and subscribe. Share your topic ideas in the comment section below. We might feature them in our next video. Happy learning!